Investors should be well diversified, according to billionaire investor Ray Dalio, a founder of Bridgewater Associates. Dalio thinks there's an economic shift that will soon happen. He used history to explain the looming global currency threat. He likened the dollar move to the Dutch and British empires. The massive amount of printing seemed uncomfortable for Dalio, and he referred back to the gold standard on a few occasions. The threat started when the US moved off the gold standard in the 1970s. One anecdote Dalio mentioned was when he was a clerk on the floor of the stock exchange when Nixon removed the gold standard. He said that he expected stocks to tank. However, he noted that equities actually did the opposite. He added that later he realized this is because they can now expand the amount of dollars in circulation, and it was not governed by a hard asset. In previous empires, there's always a tendency to print money in times of need. And with the past, this could be the starting point of the US dollar's demise. Dalio wrapped up his discussion saying the dollar has never been a competitor, but Bitcoin and China's potential new digital currency could be a competitor. That spells all the difference. China holds $1 trillion worth of US debt, and if the devaluing takes place, this could be a major catalyst for change. The best way to protect yourself, Dalio said, is there to be a de-dollarization event. Then investors will need to diversify. Pick a few assets that would thrive in that scenario. Being overexposed to one asset, for example, like Bitcoin, presents its own problems. You need to hold different assets that play different rules. You should be in the market of bonds and ETFs, crypto, and of course, precious metals to protect all of those assets. The dollar is finally facing real threats, and as much as we want to stop it, the global economy is evolving very quickly, and it's moving too fast for any one person or any country to control. The only thing you can do as an investor is diversify and protect your whole investment. And gold and silver can help you do that. Gold is the only asset in history that has thrived through all economic downturns. And how the biggest investors are still running to it to this day, it proves gold's position as a safe haven is not about to change. So if you have any money in the market, bonds, ETFs, crypto, and other investments, it's time to start thinking about diversifying and protecting all of your assets. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.